Hello! Are you ready for the letter challenge? Let's see how many you can get right. Let's start with the letter A. Choose your airplane. Airplane starts with the letter A. So lucky! So funny! Can you find the different A? Think carefully. Yes, there it is! It's wearing sunglasses. Which word starts with A? Astronaut, doctor, or teacher? Think carefully. Yes, it's the word astronaut. It starts with the letter A. Let's move on to our memory quiz. Try to remember the order of all these letters. Now, where is the letter A hiding? Do you remember? Nice! It's hiding behind spot number 4. Can you find the small letter A? Yay! There it is! Now it's time for the letter S. S says S. S is for sandwich. Now, choose your sandwich. Can you find the different S? Where are you, cute little S? Ah, there you are. Which word starts with S? Is it ladybug, bee, or spider? Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more fun quizzes. Yes, it's the word spider. It starts with the letter S. Time for our memory challenge. Try to remember the order of all these letters. Now, where is the letter S hiding? Do you remember? Yes, it's hiding behind spot number 3. Can you find the small letter S? Yay, there it is! Great job, little geniuses! You did amazing today! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun quizzes. Goodbye!